Hello students, welcome back to Kumar @ Students Can Do. In this video, I am going to tell you how to solve problems on single dice in probability. As you all know, probability is very easy chapter among all the 14 chapters. So, here I am taking a sample dice and I am showing you this dice is having 6 faces. Check here, 1, see some dots are also there, 1, 2, this side 3, this side 4, 5 and 6. So, there are 6 faces and each face is having some number of dots on it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, whenever I roll a dice, see now I got 6. So, again I am throwing a dice and I got 2. So, whenever I am throwing dice, I am getting different numbers in different throws. So, that is, this is a fair dice. All the 6 numbers are having equal chance of getting. Okay. Now, what are the possibilities when I throw the dice? How many dots? See, what are the possibilities? The first possibility is I may get 1 or I may get 2 or else I may get 3 or I may get 4 or else I may get 5 or I may get 6. So, the total number of possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, the total number of possible outcomes are denoted by n of s. Okay. So, n of s is equal to 6. Total number of possible outcomes. Next, if they ask you what is the probability of getting a even number when a dice is thrown? What are even numbers here? 2, 4, 6. So, what is my event E now? To get even number. So, what are the even numbers here? 2, 4, 6. So, the number of favorable outcomes, these are all the favorable outcomes for happening this event E. How many are there? 3. So, n of E is equal to 1, 2, 3. Now, probability of happening this event is denoted by P of E is equal to, now the formula is n of E by n of S. That is number of favorable outcomes by total possible outcomes. So, n of E is equal to here 3. Total possible outcomes 6. In 3 table 1 time, 3 table 2 times. So, that is 1 by 2. Next, if they ask you what is the probability of getting an odd number? What are the odd numbers here? Now, I will consider my event as some f. Here, you can take any alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F as you wish, you can take and name that event. Okay. So, now I am naming my event of getting an odd number as F. So, what are the odd numbers here? 1, 3, next odd number is 5. Okay. So, these are all favorable outcomes. So, how many are there total? 3. So, the number of favorable outcomes are 3. Again you write the same formula. P of F is equal to n of F by n of S. Here n of F is equal to 3 and n of S is equal to 6. Again 3 table 1 time, 3 table 2 times. So, the probability of getting odd number is 1 by 2. Next, they may ask you what is the probability of getting an even prime number? Now, I will take my event as A. What is the even prime number here? 2. So, there will be only singleton set 2. So, number of favorable outcomes n of A is equal to how many outcomes are there? 1. So, again you write the formula P of A is equal to n of A by n of S. Favorable outcomes 1 by total number of outcomes 6. They may ask you what is the probability of getting a number less than 6. What are the numbers less than 6 here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, number of favorable outcomes are these 5. So, then P of sum A is equal to 5 by 6. Next one, if they ask you what is the probability of getting a number less than or equal to 6, less than or equal to 6. Whenever I throw a dice, I will get either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Less than or equal to means all the 6 numbers. So, that is a sure event. See, n of s is also 6, and if I take that event as E, 1 less than 6, 2 less than 6, 3 less than 6, 4 less than 6, 5 less than 6, 6 is equal to 6. That means all the possible outcomes are favorable outcomes. That means my E is a sure event. So, P of E is equal to n of E by n of S, actually 6 by 6. No need to calculate in this case. The probability of sure event is always equal to 1. Next, if they ask you what is the probability of getting a number 7 or 8, can we get 7 here? No. Can we get 8 here? No. So, any number less than greater than 6 and less than 1 is impossible event. Whenever you throw, you have to get some number. It won't be equal to 0 also. So, when they ask you probability less than 1 or greater than 6, it is an impossible event in case of single dice. So, the probability of impossible event is always equal to 0. No need to calculate. You can take this as a 1 mark bit. Probability of sure event is 1. Probability of impossible event is 0. Next, another important bit is always you have to remember that probability lies in between 0 and 1. Okay. 0 less than or equal to probability less than or equal to 1 in case of anything. If you get less than 0 or greater than 1, then your calculation is wrong. Probability is always less than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 1 and greater than or equal to 0. Another 1 mark important bit is they may give you P of E is equal to some 0.65, and they may ask you what is the probability of not happening that event. Not happening that event is written as P of E bar. Now, we all know the identity that P of E plus P of E bar is equal to 1. We all know that P of E plus P of E bar is equal to 1. Then, from this equation P of E bar is equal to 1 minus P of E. So, this will be equal to 1 minus P of E means 0.65. Now, easily you can do subtraction. 1.00, 1 can be written as, and this is 0.65. Just to do subtraction. So, here 0, 9, 10, borrowing. So, 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 3, 9 minus 6 is 3, 0 minus 0, 0. So, the answer is 0.35. In the similar way, if they give you P of E bar and if they ask you to calculate P of E, then also the same. You have to do simply subtraction. So, again from this identity, P of E plus P of E bar is equal to 1. So, again from this P of E is equal to 1 minus P of E bar. So, this will be equal to 1 minus 0.65 again. The answer is same. Not only this number, they can change the number 0.5, 0.25 like that. They will give one number and they will ask you to calculate the probability of happening the event or not happening the event. Simply you have to do subtraction, 1 minus the given number. Then I think you understood how to solve the problems related to single dice. and this 1 mark bits. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.